Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. The battery in this 2006 Chevy Silverado is located right here under the hood, and it's fairly easy to get to. But before we begin, check out the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure you're familiar with the project. You have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the vehicle's computer's memories alive while the battery is being replaced. The first step is to remove the fasteners for the cross member, and you will need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the cross member. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal, and you'll need an 8mm wrench for that. And then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal, again using your 8mm wrench. Avoid touching the wrench to the fender as we are using a memory saver and the 12-volt system is still alive. The next step is to remove the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need a 13mm wrench for that. Now we can remove the old battery and the heat shield. And install the replacement battery with its heat shield. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. And retighten the fastener. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Be careful not to touch your wrench to the fender well. And be careful not to strip the threads by over-tightening the fastener. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Again, being careful not to over-tighten. And finally, we can reinstall the cross member and tighten the fasteners. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.